Hi, good morning. Paul here, Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Today is September 11th, 2019, a day for all of us to remember. The tragedy that struck our nation back in 2001. I remember it distinctively. Tuesday morning, and our whole lives changed. So we do need to think about that day, this day, and celebrate it in our hearts, because there's a lot of lives that were sacrificed that day by terrorism. So anyway, let's see what's going on with the Las Vegas real estate market. And we have the new listings here the last couple of days. Looks like we've got about 19 of them already listed this morning. We have a condo over here on Grand Canyon, 130,000, one bedroom, one bath, 769 square feet. Nice clean complex, upstairs unit. Looks pretty clean, like it's just been refurbished. Alright, Grand Canyon is Oso Blanco and Grand Canyon, so way up north. Alright, let's go down here to the highest priced one today. Over on Forest Grove, 1.2 million, 3159 square feet, 2 bedroom, 3 bath, 3 car garage with a spa. Interesting. What do we have here? Wow. Nice house. Wine cellar. Forest Grove. Okay. Sun City Anthem. 1.2 million. Interesting. Okay. Then we have yesterday. You know, condo on North Pecos, 70,675 square feet, one bedroom, one bath. Again, nice and clean. 70 grand, huh? Pretty nice. One story. North Las Vegas, okay. Then this house over here on St. Croix, McDonald Highlands, okay? Almost 4.8 million, 12,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 9 baths, 5 car garage, pool, spa. That is a massive house. Wow. Look at that. Pretty dark though. Nice, but amazing. 12,000 square foot house. Those flooring. Huge master suite. Strip view, but with buildings in between on the golf course. Lamborghini down there. Alright. Of course, St. Croix, like I said, is in McDonald Highlands. Okay. Well, let's go see what is under contract here. We have 485 in contract. Recently sold. Okay, these were all sold yesterday. A little manufactured home here. $40,000, 840 square feet. Just sit on a piece of dirt there. Pretty rough. Sunrise Manor. Okay. And highest price, $3.7 million. 3.7 million. Meadowhawk Lane, Granite Ridge area, Summerlin. Okay. Well, that is what's going on now. We should take a look at what's going on in the market itself. Okay, so all price ranges. Look at that. Just a steady upswing here. Single family homes, steady upswing. So new listings, look at that. Homes for sale. Like the inventory is picking up here. We're down here and now there's 9,089 pending sales, 32,000 pending sales, 31,000 sold in August. Days on the market, 24. It's still very low, but it's a lot higher than it was. With 3.4 months of inventory. We're looking at 99% median, 98% average percentage of list price. So people are, well, it was up higher than that in November, just slowly dropping off their price per square foot. 166. The dollar volume, pretty steady there. $11 billion in August. Okay, well, I think that is about it. So we will talk to you soon, and you have a wonderful day.